Okay guys, in this video we're going to show you how to use Canva to help you create your Facebook cover photo. Canva, Canva.com is a great free tool that you can use to help design really any of your social media platform covers or headers, or even just to have some artwork for some of your posts. Today we're going to focus on the cover photo, but we're just going to show you just how easy it is and why we really like Canva. So really quickly, I'm going to draw your attention to any of these little pixels down here that you see once you hover over them. So for a Twitter post, it's already diagramming the template by the pixel size that's required by that platform. So you have a Pinterest graphic here with a specific pixel number. An Instagram post has another specific one. A Facebook post has a different one. So it's really, really easy for you. You figure out what you want to do, and then you just go to that one and use the templates and the guide that they have there for you. And as you can see, they do have some other stuff, some other marketing materials here. And you can kind of start toying around with this a little bit. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to do a Facebook cover. So we click Facebook cover and it takes us to this page over here, and we've already got it set up. So I just want to be clear that you have two options here. One is using these free templates that you can customize, or you can buy any one of these templates, and as you can see, they have a little dollar sign here. So if you do like something and it's a paid feature, paid image, you can purchase it, and the pricing will vary. Most of the time it's like $1, but sometimes it's a little more expensive. I tend to focus on the ones that are free because I just feel like those are sufficient for me. So instead of creating like the most perfect header, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to edit a customizable header. So we're going to take this, we're going to drag it into our box here that's already set up for us, kind of like a Facebook cover, so you can see how it will look like with an icon. Okay, and then we're going to just edit. We'll click this, it'll highlight, and we will just type in whatever we want. And we can move it wherever we want, and we can change the color to whatever we want. Change the size, and we can change the font. Okay, so now we have created a quick cover photo that we can then export and use, and all we're going to do is click download, and it'll download right to your desktop, and then you can go over to Facebook and upload that in. Okay, so that's just how quickly you can do that. Now, of course, you're gonna have to find a background and a photo that fits your needs, and Canva will provide you that. And if it doesn't, then you have the second option. The second option is that you can come over and you can just create your own using an existing image that you might own. You would go over here to search, and one of the cool things that Canva does is it gives you these grids. When you click grids, it should open up with a bunch of grids. And if, let's say you had 4 photos that you really wanted to get across on your cover photo, of 4 houses you've sold, right? You just throw that in, throw that 4 grid, you drag from one side to the other, and as you can see, it'll create 4 equal spaces for you to then go and click uploads, and where you have dumped your photos, you can just start dragging them in, and it'll put them in, and you can reposition them to make them look good. Okay, so that's one option. What I like to do is I like to use the single option, and again, Canva has a lot of these all different ways that you can think of, and you feel free to explore and try and design. This is all part of the creativity of it, but for expediency's sake, I'm just going to create a really quick one, and I'm just going to take a house photo. Okay, and we just going to click and drag. That's all we're doing. Okay, and so Canva will put that in for us. We'll go to text, and there's some text here that we can grab if we want, and if you think any of these look good and would fit your design, feel free to drag them over and crop them as needed. But otherwise, you can just add basically large, medium, and small text. And so you just click the one that you want. I'm going to click the top one, and I'm going to highlight it and change it to my real estate name. All right, I'll highlight it again because I want to change the font. And then I'm just going to drag it down into the grass so that it looks a little bit better in contrast. And now I've got a perfectly good looking cover photo for my real estate Facebook page. And so the final step here is to wait till this is finished saving, as it's always saving. It takes a little time because it's always saving. And then you're going to click the download button, and you'll go right over to your Facebook page and you'll upload it. The text can be whatever you want. You can have it be your name, you could have it be a saying that you go by, maybe you have a cool catchphrase for your real estate business. Be creative, right? This is a place for you to be creative, and we encourage that. But you could really get the feel for how easy Canva is and why it's such a great tool, because you're going to be able to use this over and over and over again. And assuming you didn't use a paid photo, once you hit download, it will just create the photo and download it for you. Otherwise, it's going to ask for payment. So that's why we recommend Canva. Super quick, super easy, and really, really effective if done correctly.